Good day, viewers. I am Adi Odushola, a member of the GMG Guidance School Batch 7-5. I will be talking about GMG definition, GMG ideology, how GMG works, GMG Marvel types, GMG rules and regulations, and lastly, GMG benefits. Definition of GMG. GMG simply means Green Marvel Global. It is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. The goal of GMG is to create fair financial system where money will no longer be a problem. GMG rely on power of giving, which is the first community of people helping people, designed and managed by members of the community. Decisions are made with the contributions of members of the community. Ideology of GMG. GMG was created in accordance with the principles and ideology of Saji Maifode, and that is the founder of MMM. Hence, the ideology of Green Marble Global Community remains the same with that of MMM. However, shortcomings of MMM ideology has been analysed by the brain behind GMG, and different measures have been put in place to curb its flaws. The history of Mavrodi, the founder of MMM, on whose the ideology of GMG is built upon. Mavrodi is a Russian and was born in August 11, 1955. He was a mathematician and a programmer. He started MMM cooperatives in 1989. He became a joint stock company in 1994. Saji Maifode became deputy of the Russian parliament. He was arrested in 2003 and jailed in 2007. The revival of MMM was done in 2011, and Saji Maifode, the founder and the leader of MMM, died in March 26, 2018. How GMG works. I want to talk about how GMG works right now. GMG, as well, is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. On GMG, participants come together, they provide help to each other. You have a spare money, the money that is not very important or useful to you at the moment, you give it to someone that needs it at the moment, and upon giving it, after 30 days you get the money back. Not only you get the money back, but you get additional 30%. Wow, that's lovely. And also on referring, you get 10% of the ph of the referral, that is the person you referred. That's about how GMG works. So about the provided help, still on how GMG works, we have the ph button on the PO, and the ph is the starting point into financial freedom. It is used to donate money, which in turn give birth to reward, GH. Also in the PO, we have the GH button. The GH button is the rewarding point. It is used when you need donation or help. Having provided help, after 30 days, the GH button, that is the get help button, is used to get donation or help. Types of Mavro in GMG. Mavro is the internal currency of GMG. GMG don't operate with currencies, the mere currencies like Naira. We operate with what is called Mavro. There are two major types of Mavro contributions, namely standard 30% contribution. The growth rate is 30% in 30 days. You can create a GH request 30 days after you provided help, and all the recipients confirm get help from you. Also, we have crypto 50% contribution. The growth rate is 50% in 30 days on cryptocurrency PH. We can create a GH request 30 days after you provided help, and all the recipients confirm getting help from you. I want to also talk about rules and regulations of GMG. The first rule: do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one GMG account. The penalty for this is all accounts will be permanently blocked and will be banned. The rule number 2: you are not expected to share email or bank details with other members. We all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. 3: do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 4: do not edit your bank details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty: your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Continuation of the rules and regulations: do not click on "I refuse to make payment" more than once in a month. The penalty is you will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. The penalty is you will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment. Penalty: you will be blocked. Do not allow your family members to PH more than you. If they have more than the amount you PH to donate, let them do it through your PO, or tell them to register through your guidance link. The penalty for going against this is you will be blocked. Benefits of GMG. Registration bonus. In GMG, we have registration bonus and it's given on first PH. It ranges between $200 to $100. We also have referral bonus. 10% bonus on every new members or new money your referral donates. On every referral you bring in, you get 10% of the money the person donates. Also, we have guider or manager bonus. It ranges between 3% downward. We have 3%, we have 2%, we have 1%, 2.5%. Also, old agro is being defrosted in GMG. You get 10% old agro defrost for old participants. Money. In GMG, there is no guarantee of getting money back after you donate. However, there is assurance of getting it back if all members keep participating. Therefore, participate in GMG with spare money only. You are only expected to participate in GMG with only spare money. Green Magro remains the answer to man's perpetual quest for financial independence. You want to join? Kindly click on the link. GMG is the best. GMG is great. Together, we change the world.